Hey guys, Tanay from Asatic, and today we'll be taking a look at the SolidSuit case by Rhinoshield for the Asus Zenfone 5Z. So yeah, this is the case which is like the most like the case which protects your phone like to the next level, because this thing has military grade standard 810G drop protection. That's up to 11 feet of drop protection, and that's pretty good. So this is the SolidSuit. They also have some other stuff. The link will be in the description below, so you can just check out their website. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video, and this case is quite expensive for what it is, but it offers a great protection. It's better than the cases you get on Amazon or somewhere. And yeah, this is not from India. You don't get this thing in India. I've ordered it from rhinoshield.io. That's it. So this is the case itself. So in the back you can see about something about the SolidSuit. Here's the link. So if you can see, it has this premium finish, durable material, and it also has a lip which covers your phone, but it also like doesn't get in place of the screen guard, and you have a snug fit, and it's 3 mm thin and 30 grams the total weight is, and this is food grade plastic. So if you're by any chance stranded on an island, say, and you don't have anything to eat, you can live off this thing. Just kidding. Just okay. So it has this shock spread technology which has that honeycomb design. I think you must have seen those cases, and it absorbs over 11 feet, that's 3.5 meters of impact, honeycomb structure, and next generation material. So you can also watch the drop test on this link. I'll provide this link in the description so that you can just check it out. So let's get into the box. So this is the box itself. Here's the case. So this is that case. It also has this plastic, and yeah, this is in the carbon fiber finish. You also get this thing in a matte finish and the plastic tray, and you also get this small little pamphlet which says flip over to show how to install the case. So there's a specific procedure which they recommend you use to install your case and to also remove the case. You can just pause the screen and check it out if you have this phone. So now that you're done with that, we'll just put that thing aside. So this is the case itself. Let me just peel off the plastic. We'll just put the plastic to the side. So this is the case itself. So this is the carbon fiber finish. Again, the review of this thing will be in the later part of the video, so you can see the case more precisely in that. This is just like a hands-on. So in the later part of this video, you'll have the review. This is my Zenfone 5Z. So this is the Zenfone. Yeah, it's a 5Z. It's the only one. So what you have to do is, and yeah, also this also has the screen guard. If you can see right over here, it has that black screen guard, whatever you say that. So this you have to go with the left side first. So just push it in like this, and then you have to push it in to the side, and with your thumbs, like there's this instruction manual to how to install a case. So they are quite serious about this. So then you just need to push it in like that, and that's it. You're done. And that's a super snug fit. Your phone doesn't move around. Like if I put on this Capaver case which I bought from Amazon, the phone keeps rattling around inside. It's not that that snug to this. So this is the case itself. If you can see, it has some sort of like depth to it. I'll just focus it. So if you can see, it has like that depth to the case, like it's that big, or like it has that protection stuff. So this is how the case looks after you have like put your phone into it. So more on this in the later part of the video. So yeah, let's just jump into a review now. So this case is one of their series of cases lineup. It offers an impact protection of up to 11 feet. That's military grade 810G. Well, yeah, that's a tough case. It has got all the cutouts for the IO pretty precisely, and by precisely I mean it's exactly precise. The buttons feel very good, close to how the buttons are on the actual phone, like without the case. I mean, they are that tactile. On the inside there is this honeycomb structure which they call the shock spread structure, which spreads the shock evenly when you drop your phone. And yes, This thing is designed in Cambridge and made in Taiwan. And by the way, fun fact, this phone is also made in Taiwan. Just saying. On the other side, you've got a small little lanyard port to put your, you guessed it, your lanyard. There are cutouts for the microphone phones also. Moving to the back side, it has this carbon fiber finish which is grippy and also looks cool when you throw in some light on it. I would say the cutout for the fingerprint sensor and the cutout for the camera are literally on point. On the front, the case fits snugly to the body and also offers a bit of lip protection when your phone falls on its face. It doesn't like do something with your screen guard. You can put your screen guard, you can go with a normal screen guard and it won't even touch the screen guard. So that's it. So overall, if you're interested in a case for your phone which gives you like the best protection, then this is the one. As usual, links will be down in the description below. Please do subscribe to our channel. Till then, this is Dan from Asus, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.